There goes peppercorn, cumin, got our cinnamon sticks, cloves and 2 pods of cardamom, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, sugar, there goes the onions to go into the puree, half tomato, put that all in. That's our Kashmiri red chilies. Chilies go in. Now goes in the vinegar. And we're going to blitz this down and form it into a paste. Push the sides down. Oh, that's a nice paste. Take it off from the top of the lid. Add it all together. If you need any more vinegar, add some more vinegar to it. Or if you want to add some water to it, but not much.